Yep. Okay, good. Okay. Now, because the dynamics is working for you already,
Yeah.
and we're going to go on to a slope that's a little bit steeper soon. I want you to be able to deal with the steepness. Now, we're going to take a little step backwards. Now, I haven't done any snowplow with you, but I'm sure you know how to do snowplows.
Yeah.
Yeah? You know how to do a snowplow.
Okay. Yeah, you do.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what you learned before coming to see me.
Yeah.
Some time ago. Yeah. Okay. Now, I just want to use it as a platform so you can feel things, right? I'm not going to teach you again how to go on a snowplow, but I'm going to show you something. See, I'll put my skis in a snowplow like this. Now, all I want you to do is pick up a little bit of speed, not much, and then I want you to move the same way that we've been doing, right? So, for instance, if you want to go to the left, move slightly to the left,
Yeah.
right? Now, I'm not going to explain too much about what's going to happen, but I want you to do something else now as well. We're going to do a turn to the left. So you move slightly to the left, but with your right foot, what I want you to do at the same time is to push it forwards. Right?
Okay.
Now, don't you might feel one ski go ahead of the other, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something to happen to you on the skis,
Okay.
right? But I just want you to push the foot forwards like this and see what happens. Okay, then we'll discuss it.
So we do a snowplow. Move
Right.
to the left and move right foot forward.
Yeah. Now, make sure you don't twist your body to the left. It's just a movement across a little bit, and push the right foot forwards. Okay, you got that, Yvonne? We'll just try it and see what happens first. Watch first. I'll pick up a little bit of speed. Just watch me to begin with. I've done a little bit of speed. I'm going to move to the left a little bit, and then I push the right foot forwards. Okay, try it. Make a snowplow. Okay, very good. Let me see what happens with Yvonne now. Right. Okay. Now, I saw it working for you, Ron.
Yeah.
What did you feel happening?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll tell you what I saw happening was that when you pushed your foot forwards,
Yeah.
you turned very sharply.
Yeah, it goes a bit different when a bit more smooth.
That's right.
Yeah.
And that's what happens. When you create your dynamics, when you move your body into the turn, if you push the outside foot forwards, it tightens up the turn. Okay, it's much more reactive, right? And it's easier for you to feel it to begin with in the snowplow, right? Because you've got a big, secure base to work from. And so you could feel it happening to you, exactly like it happened to you. Now, you didn't quite get it, but there may be other reasons for that we'll look at later. But certainly we'll try again. We'll maybe try a few turns this time to give you the chance to get into it. Again, watch me go down a little bit first. See how I'm only moving a tiny little bit in the snowplow, because in the plow you don't have to move much. So don't worry about the movement. Think about pushing the foot forwards more, okay? In the snowplow. More working with the feet. Watch this. Left foot. Now. You won't be pushing it forwards though. I've not seen that, but I could see it there. I could see Ron doing it. And you can feel the turn tightening up.
Yeah, but,
Yeah, a bit, that's right. That's what I see there. But I didn't see it with you, but I think there's another reason for that. And we'll have a look at that later. But I want you just to try skiing parallel now. Instead of, don't worry about the snowplow, okay? For you, at least. And for you too. So just as you move the body into the turn, push the outside foot forwards, okay? Push the, it's just like this. You're trying to push forward, just like you see there. Like that, okay? And just work that leg every time you move across into turn. The outside leg in the turn, push it forwards. It makes everything more interactive instead of just being waiting there passive, okay? Right. We'll try it. We'll take the same way down here. Just watch me now. I'm doing it parallel. Okay. Okay. Right. Various degrees of success there. But I think I could see it there in you this time, Yvonne, whereas I couldn't see it in the snowplow. But I can see much more. It's not clear, but it looked like you were doing it, right? So it looks like you've understood it. Right, let's go back down to this lift once more, and we'll go down a slightly steeper way, and there we can see if it's working or not, okay? Back down to the bottom.